Okay guys, short quick video today, but I wanted to show you how to use the MicroMark Truck Tuner. This is what it looks like. This is a very valuable tool that I highly recommend you use and add to your list of tools on your model railroad. What we have here is a truck that you can see this wheel spins nicely, and this one doesn't at all. This is going to reshape the pockets in here to NMRA standards and help all of your wheels turn better. So the way that, in case you've never done this before, the way that I pop this out, I usually grab behind the wheel right here, use a fingernail to hold there, and you just kind of pull apart and it pops out. It's a little more difficult with this. You're going to do one side at a time. So this side is your cutting side right here. We're going to take and put the other end in like that so it fits into that pocket. Usually hold this and then lift that up with your finger. It's kind of a pain the first couple times that you do this, just because especially as you're working on trucks that are not up to standards, they won't always fit right. Kind of work that in. You want to peel it apart a little bit there. Just in like that. If you notice, you can tell that this bows out a little bit. That's a quick indicator that it is not up to standards. So while you hold it, grab it and turn it so that you turn it in the direction of the cutting. And you can feel it start to get better and easier. And then what I always do is I always put a little pressure, not a whole lot, but just a little on here so that it kind of gets the rest out. Flip it over. You can see right there, you can see right there the black. That's what it took out from inside that coupler pocket. Or not coupler pocket, wheel pocket. Sorry, my bad. Put it in the other side. Just like that. Little pressure. Pull it back out. There's some that came out. Put our wheel back in, and there you have it. This works really well on all freight cars and passenger cars. Highly recommend that you add these. I have used this extensively on my Rivarossi passenger cars. When you upgrade to metal wheels, the Rivarossi wheels are different and manufactured different than your standard NMRA wheels. And so when you go to Rivarossi or go to upgrade your Rivarossi passenger cars to metal wheels, you'll have to use this quite a bit on pretty much every one. But in the end, it's totally worth it. My Chicago Northwestern passenger set that you'll see here probably in later videos if you haven't seen it already is all done with all of this, and they roll very nicely. But these are, in case you're curious, these are about 20 bucks, between 20 and 25, depending on where you buy them. Amazon does have them, but I recommend always, check out your local hobby stores first. But right around the $20 USD mark, highly recommend you add it. Thanks for watching, guys.